What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do a little quick rundown on what went down this weekend. I did get some work done on the truck. I didn't video it because I was kind of in a hurry because I wanted to go camping this weekend, which I also didn't video because I took my nephew with me and I don't want to put him on YouTube without his mama's consent, so we're not doing that. But I will show you what we got done this weekend. Hold on, if I get the hood open. Alright, so I told you guys I needed a new steering box. Let me give you two pieces of advice when you're going to replace that steering box. One, pick up a brand new pitman arm because you're not going to get the old one off. Two, double check to make sure you got the right one. I did. I brought mine with me when I went to pick up the old one. Three, have either a jack or somebody to help you get that sun gun down because it's heavy. And after you've been working on it all day, yeah, it's heavy. Now I replaced mine because mine was not only leaking, but it had 316,000 miles on it and a lot of play in the steering wheel. Now I need an alignment. But that being said, we did get it done. And it's something I am 100% glad I did. She steers way better now. Pretty sure the transmission's going out, but hey, it steers right. AC half-ass works. So yeah, we're getting somewhere. Just seems like every time I fix something, this truck turns around, nibbles on my wallet just a little bit more. We also got our 28-ton, yes, you heard that right, 28-ton shackles installed, front and rear. Got 4 of them. They say they're 28-ton. Now, can I believe that they're actually 28-ton? I don't know. And as you can see, we've got our douche moose fully engaged. I mean, we're full sending douche moose today. I don't ever drive with my mirrors up. Actually, I think since I've had this truck, this is the first time, besides washing them, that I flipped them out. And I flipped them out to do a TikTok video. So I'm actually probably just gonna, yeah, we're just gonna fold those back down. I can't do the douche moose thing. Can't be like every other Cummins owner, driving around with their mirrors out. So we're just gonna, this one's hard. God, damn, whew. Whew, that joker right there, she tough. So anyway, like I said, we got our shackles on. Got the steering box on there. So I'm going to take it and have an alignment done probably this weekend when I'm off work. Or Monday, yeah, Monday. Probably have an alignment done. Now I'm still debating on whether or not to replace that AC pump or not. Or that AC compressor. Because I mean it works most of the time as long as you're driving. When you stop and idle it quits working. But I mean, how often am I sitting in my truck at an idle? And now that the transmission's starting to go out, I think I'm gonna have to save up for that. I think it's going out. Maybe low on fluid. I'll check it. But yeah, I'm gonna lay down here and show y'all a little video of the thing, the steering box. I can't talk today. It's been a long week of work and I still got 2 more days. Normally I would only have 1 more day, but I got 2 more days, so that sucks. Anyway, so as you can see, we got our freshly remanufactured steering box on there with our new pitman arm. Please ignore all the oil. It is a Cummins. She does leak. Actually, I think it's still leaking somewhere. This truck is getting on my nerves. Actually, this isn't leaking anymore because this was leaking. Like, it was leaking up there. I don't know what's leaking now. It's impossible to tell. But it's really only held in with 3 bolts. There's one there, one back there. Well, hell, actually, it's easier to show you from over here. See, it's held on with those 3. It's held on with those 3 bolts. You gotta take the steering brace off if you have one. If you don't have one, you should probably have one. And drop your sway bar out of the way. Then your steering shaft is held on, I can see it right there, with 13 mil that you also need to remove, and then take a pry bar and push your steering shaft off of it, and she will drop out of the way. On top of that, like I said, we've got our pretty shackles on there that I need to tighten up so nobody steals them, that are supposed to be 28 ton. I'm not sure they are 28 ton, but that's what the description said. I mean, I can show you the box. So as you can see here, 3/4 shackle 2-pack, 3/4 inch D-ring shackle, rugged, 28.5 ton, 57,000 pound maximum brake strength. I'm trying to see if I can get you the part number here. There's your part number and your brand on that. And I just simply ordered those on Amazon. They were like $26 for the set, a set. So I've got like 50 bucks in all four. But if they're truly 28 ton, 28.5 ton D-rings, there's no way I can break them. I mean, this truck's got a maximum gross weight of, let's see, 8,800 pounds. So those shackles are way overkill, but I do think I need a 15,000 pound winch instead of a 12,000 pound winch because of that. Because you take your, so if you're buying a winch just for your truck, what you do is you take your gross weight rating, in this case 8,800 pounds, divide it in half, which would be 4,400 pounds. Add that back to it, which puts you at 12,400 pounds, which means that I need a little more than a 12,000 pound winch. I'm probably just gonna put a 12,000 on it, or 15,000. More likely just 12. I plan on using it to pull things, not pull this. So I thank y'all for watching. This was a little catch-up video, a little chit-chat while I'm on break at work. Y'all remember to like and subscribe. Check out my Instagram. Look me up on TikTok. Same name as my channel, Zach Ettrick. Y'all remember to stay cool, stay awesome, and stay frosty.